Hi, my name is Kuljit Kaur. My student ID is 303777458. Today I would like to discuss the week 9 Sahana project system lab work for subject ITech 5402. In this lab work there are 6 activities. The first activity is this. This is the first activity, display project. In this activity I used the app project builder. When I type the project builder in search box and press enter, this dialog box is shown. In this dialog box, I put the hierarchy level 99 and automatically all the information is shown here, and click on the go or continue button. When I click on this dialog box is shown. In this dialog box, all the hierarchy information is shown in the left sides and data automatically shown. I click on the overview. When I click on the overview, the basic data control all information is shown. In the second activity, display WBS element. In this element, I use the app network overview to display your WBS elements. After typing search box and press enter, this dialog box is shown. In this dialog box, I click on the P divided by 9000 checkbox and click on the go button and click if there is no go button and click on the arrow. When I click on this window shown. In this window, the click on standards and select the project display. When I click on this information is shown. The project P divided by 9000 and all information is shown inside. The third activity is the display activities. In this activity, I use the app project builder. When I type the project builder in search box and press enter, this dialog box is shown. All the information is automatically shown here. I click on the overview symbol. When I click on this dialog box is automatically shown. Information is P divided by 9000 hyphen 2. And after click on the go button, this information is automatically shown. Now click on the overview symbol, square symbol. When I click on this, the fifth activity is information system structures. In this activity, I put the PS information GL01000 and press continue. When I click on the continue button, this information is this window is shown. In this window, select the project P divided by 9000 and press enter. This information in this window is shown. The last activity, sixth activity, display actual cost. In this activity, I use the project cost, actual commitment, total and plan. When I type on search box and press enter, this window is shown, and this dialog box. In this dialog box, I put the GL01000 and press continue. After that, this window is shown. In this window, I put the controlling area, fiscal years, and from and to, and from period 1 to period 12, and press continue. When I click the continue button, this information is shown. This is the last activity. All the information is actual total plan, actual income, and total plan is shown. Thank you.